In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create stunning transparent text in Photoshop, a technique that's perfect for adding a professional touch to your designs. Whether you're working with a photograph, a colorful gradient, or a simple solid color, this effect can really make your text stand out by blending seamlessly with the background. Let's dive right in and get started. First up, you'll need to either open an existing Photoshop document or create a new one, ensuring you have the perfect background in place. This could be anything from a vibrant image to a subtle gradient or a solid color, depending on the aesthetic you're aiming for. Once your background is ready, it's time to add your text. Select the Type tool, which you can quickly access by pressing T on your keyboard, and choose a bold font. A bold choice here will ensure that the transparency effect has maximum impact, allowing it to shine through. With your font chosen, go ahead and type out your text. You'll want to position it carefully, making sure that it sits exactly where you want it in your composition. Now, let's bring the magic of transparency to life. In your Layers panel, find your text layer and select it. You'll need to lower the fill of this text layer to 0%. This will effectively hide the fill of the letters themselves, but still keep the outline and the shape of the text visible, which is exactly what we want for this effect. Keeping that text layer selected, let's do a bit of right-clicking. You can right-click directly on your selected layer, then choose Blending Options. Alternatively, you can just double-click the layer to open the Layer Style dialog. Once you're there, navigate to Advanced Blending. Here, you'll see a drop-down labeled Knockout. Set this to Shallow if you want the text to only punch through the immediate background layer. Choose Deep if you want it to cut through all layers, reaching all the way to the canvas. Be sure to set the fill opacity to 0% as well to complete the main part of the effect. After clicking OK, you'll notice that your background is now visible through the text letters, creating a striking see-through effect where the background texture or color shines through those letters. If at any point you feel like the contrast isn't quite right, consider adding any additional color blocks or layers behind your text to adjust the readability and overall impact. And there you have it, transparent text that leaves a lasting impression. For a twist on this effect, you might want to create transparent text with just an outline. Simply follow the initial steps to create your text and set the fill to 0%. Then, back in Blending Options, add a stroke. You can customize the color, width, and even choose between a solid or gradient stroke. Since the main fill is invisible, only the outline will be visible, revealing the background within the letters. Whether you choose the standard transparent method or decide to outline your text for a bit of flair, you now have a versatile and visually compelling design technique to add to your Photoshop toolkit.